Hey guys, it's me Mark, and today is gonna be like a short vlog video. And today I'm at my grandpa's house, and I want to show you guys something. So, maybe it's a little bit too dark, but this is Thursday. He is a Chihuahua Dachshund. He's so cute.
It's not really our dog.
No.
It's our grandma's dog.
Hey, you see it? Come here. Come here, Thursday. Thursday. Come here. There he is. Thursday. There he is. Aw. That is so. Let's give him one more look. Thursday, come here. Thursday. Aw, there she is. She's so small. Thursday, come here. Oh, there he is. Okay, so maybe you guys didn't get the best view, but in the comments down below, tell me which dog is cuter, our dog or my grandma's dog. So yeah, so this is just a short vlog I wanted to do. So yeah, just in the comments down below, just tell me which dog is cuter, my dog or Thursday. So yeah, so bye. Bye.